Now, easy to maintain, we recommend changing all filters and cartridges once every year. Now, to change the filters and cartridges, what you need to do is first turn off the cold water valve underneath your sink and also unplug the unit from the power cord. Now, also what you want to do, flush out the water from the system by opening up both faucets and making sure all the water drains out of the unit. And once the water drains out and it comes to a trickle, you can close them back up. Next, slide the door panels. Now, 2 door panels on each side of the main unit. So I'll just demonstrate one side. So what you'll do is you'll slide the door panels open like so. Just take your hand and slide them open. It should be like this. And it'll come right out. Sometimes it gets a little, okay. Put the panel, lay it down. Okay, and you have 3 cartridges on one side, and you'll have 3 on the other. The way you remove the cartridges is that you pull them out and then lift up each filter about 30 degrees like so, and then rotate them counterclockwise to remove them. So I'm going to go ahead and rotate counterclockwise, and they come right out. So it's a quick disconnect removal process. And you'll take the new one and you'll go ahead and install the new filter in the same position. So I'll go ahead and do that right now. Push that in there. Let's see. It'll fit right in there. And you turn it clockwise to make it secure and snug, and then you push it back into those clamps so those clamps hold it into place. Once you have all the filters changed out, you'll take the door panel and put the door panel back into its original position. There's some clamps here on the back, and there's some slots in or on the main unit itself. So go ahead and clamp the top on first, and then the bottom ones will automatically clamp on. And then you'll just slide it into place like so, and it closes up. Now, once you've done that, once you've changed it to all the filters, if you did install the optional alkaline cartridge and carbon filter assembly, you're going to want to go ahead and change those as well. Once you've changed all the filters, lastly, go ahead and turn on the cold water valve, plug back in the unit with the power cord and adapter, and then what's recommended, highly recommended, is go ahead and turn on both faucets one at a time to flush out the lines for a few minutes to remove any particles of dirt or debris they might have gotten inside the lines during filter replacement. This home system will serve you for many years to come. Now, to find out more information about our Aqua 9 Plus home system or to place an order, please visit us at aqua9plus.com. We would also surely appreciate it if you would like us on Facebook. Aqua 9 Plus, drink it and feel the difference.